guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be based on this Peacock inspired eye makeup look, and it's my first time using Huda Beauty Faux filter foundation as well. Basically, I posted a mini tutorial on this look on my Instagram, and so many of you wanted me to do a detailed tutorial, so here it is. As your wish is my command. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. As normal, I'll be starting with priming my face. Here I'm using Farsali Unicorn Essence onto my face. So I have a moisturized face and lips, but still an extra step to have a flawless base doesn't hurt. Moving on, I'm using a green corrector to conceal all the redness that I have on my face due to pimples and other reasons. And then moving on to my foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and God, I love this foundation. I went a little overboard with it. You can, you know, as in, if you've used it, you know a little go a long way, but this was my first time, so yeah. And then to highlight my face, I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and applying it on the highest points of my face to accentuate my features, of course. And then taking a Sleek Makeup concealer. This is a dark concealer. I don't remember the shade. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. I'm just using it to contour my face. This is like cream contouring, which I normally don't do, but I was feeling a little extra, so I just went ahead and cream contoured my face for a change. Then blending everything out using a damp miracle sponge. This is by Real Techniques. And then setting my face with a setting spray. This is a matte setting spray. This is like a new thing that I started doing. Before setting my face with powder, I set it with some setting spray, let it dry, and then apply some translucent powder wherever I need to set my face. Gives a very flawless finish. Going on, I'm setting in all the contour, all the cream contour using Colourpop Her Cheek palette. I am contouring my face using the contour shade, and then dusting away all the excess powder off my face. Moving on to my eyes, I'm first applying soft ochre paint pot all over my eyelid using my finger. I just love it. If you know me, you know I love soft ochre as a base on my eyelids. And then setting it in using some translucent powder, and then jumping right into the eye makeup. I'm using Colourpop eyeshadow in shade Melrose, and this is going right into my crease. This is a very soft, warm brown kind of one that you get in sketch pens. Yeah. And then using Drift, which is a little metallic maroonish color, just to intensify the crease color a little more and have a little more depth onto my eyes. I added it into my crease. Then using Luckfully, which is a gorgeous satin Super Shock eyeshadow by Colourpop, of course. I'm dabbing it all over my eyelid using my finger, because that's how you get the perfect payout. Taking a blending brush, I am blending the crease colors and my lid color together as much as I can. And then taking Moonwalk, which is a gorgeous duochromatic eyeshadow. I don't know how to explain this shade, but it gives a very beautiful greenish bluish tint to your eyes. So that went on the centers of my eyelids and in the inner corners as well. Then using NYX That's the Point eyeliner, I am giving myself a beautiful cat eye liner, a good winged liner which is extended in the inner corner, and then buffing Melrose onto my lower lash line. This is the same eyeshadow that went in my crease at first, and then intensifying it using Drift, the same way I did it for my crease. I'm now tightlining my eyes using Plum Gel eyeliner. You know, that's my favorite. And then Gigi Hadid Duo Fibre Mascara by Maybelline onto my lashes, a generous coat of it. And then using I think I used Siren by House of Lashes. I'm so sorry for being so confused about the things that I've used, because I filmed this tutorial months back and just putting it up on great demand. So I'll be listing all the products in the description box below. But that was Siren by House of Lashes, I'm certain. And then taking Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Mean Money and Hustler Baby, I am picking up Hustler Baby and applying it on the highest points of my face, like my brow bone, my cheekbone, temple of my forehead, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and everywhere where I like to highlight. And then taking the blush shade from Mercier cheek palette, her cheek palette by Colourpop, I'm dabbing it onto the apples of my cheeks to give me a flushed cheeks look. To my lips, I'm taking MAC Swirl, I guess that's what it's called. This is a beautiful pinkish nude lip liner. I am filling in my lips with it, just the outer corners, and leaving the centers bare, and then using Aphrodite by Gerard Cosmetics, I'm dabbing it onto the centers of my lips to achieve a beautiful ombre look. Setting my face again using NYX matte finish setting spray and dabbing the beauty blender to pick up any excess of it, and setting my face flawlessly. And that's the final look, guys. I just love this look, I seriously do, and I know you do too, because I received so many requests for the same. So I hope you will like this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.